What's going on, guys? Mauie here again, back with another video. Haven't been in a while, just no money, and I guess I lost a little bit of motivation. But if you guys are new to this channel and new to this series, basically in this series we're gonna basically turn my girlfriend's car into instead of a daily beater, turn it into a nice little weekend car so we can get a daily for the daily. And if you guys are new to this channel, my name is Mauricio. I'm basically, I like to work on cars, whether it's mine, my girlfriend's, anyone else's. I have a little mechanic business, like I guess side job hustle where I fix cars and stuff like that, just so I can learn more and stuff. But yeah, in this episode, guys, we are actually going to be updating my girlfriend's interior lights. Like, well, not for this truck, but you see how there's like a yellow color and stuff. So thanks to Auxito again. They're actually the ones sponsoring this video, so shout out to Auxito. Or is that how you pronounce? I think it's Auxito. So we're gonna be updating her lights, all the dome lights. So instead of having those amber ones, we're gonna be doing just LEDs. And kind of fits the aesthetic of the car, just because we've already installed LED headlights, and it'll all kind of go together. And I believe these are gonna be license plate lights, if I remember correctly. They gave me more than enough. And then we're also gonna be updating her fog lights. And if you guys are curious, let me see if I can find the part numbers. Can't find them. But if you guys are interested, make sure you guys go hit up Auxito. Link to the description will be, sorry y'all, I'm messing up here. But I will have a link down to the website with my referral code, and also make sure if down on the screen you guys can see my discount code. It's Mauricio Osorio, and it'll be all in caps. We'll also leave that down in the description. But yeah, make sure you guys check them out if you guys are curious as updating you guys' lights. If you got tired of the amber look, you can go with that nice little white LED look, and let's try them out. I've never tried them out before, so we'll see how it goes. And again, shout out to them, to Auxito, for sponsoring today's video. So yeah, let's get to it. We're gonna hop in the car. I'll try to show you guys as best as I can as far as like the install stuff. It is a little bit dark, unfortunately, but it is what it is. And yeah, let's get to it. So I will see you guys when I'm inside. One more thing, don't forget to like and subscribe, y'all. And stay tuned for more content with this bad boy. Oh, car looks so good. Alright, yeah, it's a little bit dark here, so it's hard to see. But, so I'm gonna just turn on the lights so you guys can see. So, I guess these have already been updated to LEDs, but there's also this middle one that when you open the door, oh, look at that, they don't even work. That's even better, actually. But if we go up front over here, let's see. You see how we get like an amber color, and right here too, for the vanity lights on the sun visors. So we're gonna be we're gonna update all that stuff, and I believe these ones are already LEDs. So yeah, those are already like a nice LED color. So we are going to be updating all this stuff, and I guess they're fairly simple to replace, but we're going to take a stab at it, everyone. So I believe for this one, you guys can see there's like a little space right here. You just have to stick something here, and like a screwdriver or something, whatever you got, preferably a flathead, but I'm going to be using a Phillips. Look at that, just be careful with it. Cover comes off. So now we got two lights right there. Let me give you guys a better look. I guess you see, those are the two lights. Now we're just gonna pop those out. I do believe those don't work anymore, so we're gonna pop those out. So let me show you guys best I can. Oh, they just come right out. So pretty cool. Just pop them out. Let's get the other one. Yeah. So I believe for this one, it is going to require these bad boys. So let me take these out real quick. I'm only gonna need two of them. Blown fuse, fixed it. Yeah, look, watch. You guys can see how much brighter this is. Woo! Dang! Wow. Drastic difference. So now we know those work. Now let's hop on to the front and let's get started on this one. On those, I'm pretty sure it's pretty similar. I think for the center dome light, where there's 3 of them, I have to can't think to save my life. There's 2 screws that I have to take off, Allen or Phillips. So yeah, watch. Yeah, I mean, like compared to how it was before, wow, that is, whew, almost looks like the Eclipse we had yesterday. But yeah, that's pretty good actually. So they do flicker a little bit. I do have to just mess with the connections and stuff. All right, issue solved. For some reason, I don't know why I didn't look at the tool that was given to me. For some reason, I thought these things weren't gonna work, and I was starting to get scared. But basically, you let me see how I can show you guys this. Sorry guys, it's a horrible lighting. So you see the light. You actually have to use this tool to compress the spring. You have to use it to compress it, and then you install it. Cause watch, like now they work. Boom. And what I was doing, I was installing them by hand, and they would sometimes work, sometimes wouldn't work. I ended up blowing the fuses. I think that was my fault though. Bad installing me. But now it's fine. They work, no problem, no issues. Super bright, super good. And they were flickering before, but no, they're good now. So for some reason, I thought the product at first was like, oh, maybe it's just the wrong bulb or something. But no, it's the right one. You have to compress it with the tool given to you, which I didn't notice it. Or I saw the tool, but I don't know why I didn't acknowledge it. So sorry, y'all. Let me go to the front real quick. Okay, so here we are in the front now. This is probably the better of the 2 angles that I could have got you on. I'm gonna just lock these doors real quick. So for this one, there's like a little sunglass thing holder. You press on that, and there's actually 2 little. I'm gonna have to probably use a screwdriver real quick. Let me see what I got here. Come on. There's like these little caps you have to remove, or covers. So you guys can see that. Those 2 covers, you'll have 2 Phillips in there. Oh, there you go. Right there. So you'll have 2 Phillips screwdrivers there. We're just gonna take them off, and that should give us access to, unless I have to loosen something else up. But I believe this is like the main thing that, luckily it fell where the cup holder's at, so we're good there. So yeah, we take these off, and I think it should come right off. I could be wrong, unless I have to like shift it around or something. Let's see. Oh, so yeah, so you do have to like play with it a bit. Push it forward. Pops right out. Sorry guys. It's just I haven't done this before, so okay, yeah, sweet. And then you pull back. All right, sweet. So to give you all a better idea, you guys can see there's these 2 push-in clips. You pull those out, and then you pull it back towards you, and those are the clips that clear off of the cart for the headliner. And then from here, I believe it is 1, 2, and 3. I believe they're twist off. You pull them out, and we're gonna be using. Let me see. Let me pull them out real quick. Let's see. Whew. Oh yeah, so they twist on and off. You guys can see this is the bulb. Pull it out. Oh my god, what the heck? Okay, so it's just your regular old bulb. Now I believe for this one, we're not going to be using those other ones. We're going to be using these right here, and these are part number 194. It even tells you in back of the box the application, what it's used for, like what kind of sockets it fills and stuff, right under product specification, which is pretty cool. So it's definitely for more than one type of bulb. Oh, my bad. Sorry, y'all. So the metal piece just gets inserted. Boom. That's one. So, boom. Look at that. Got rears done, fronts done. We got LEDs all around. Now let's get the vanity lights on the sun visor mirrors. So we got it. There's a clip on this side. Same little bulb here. We just pull this off. sure it works. Boom. So it's another one down. That are on the door, which we will be replacing those too. Yeah, look, that looks really nice. It's definitely a whole lot brighter here compared to how it was before. Good upgrade. I definitely do recommend, and if you are going to do it, make sure you go check out Auxito. Remember, discount code will be down in the description. It's Mauricio Osorio, all full caps. I'll put it down in there. I'll put the link to the website and everything. Make sure y'all go check them out and, you know, get their stuff. It's pretty good with my discount code. I believe it is I think it was a 15% off your purchase and stuff, so definitely go check that out. And I want to say, let me think, we're also going to be replacing those as well. And these ones are super simple, they just pop out. Right there, just like that. Boom. And I want to, let me turn off the car real quick. Okay, so on this piece, there's like, you just push on this piece of plastic and you pull it right back up and it should come right off just like so. Same thing, get the old bulb out and let's get the new one in. You can already tell it's way brighter, but I think when you put it back on, it's not that much noticeable, so we'll put on some clear housings and stuff. So let me get that side done over there too, for that door, and then I'll take you guys to the front for the fog lights, and then we still got to do the license plate lights as well. All right, interesting news, everyone. I guess that little section of the Lexus actually comes apart. You got about 4 bolts. You have that one right there, one right there, and you have, oh, there's another one inside of here somewhere. Right there, there's that one. I gotta take that one out and put it back in there. And then, what else? I don't know what those are. Those are probably push-in style clips. But yeah, this is just to replace the license plate lights. And then you have those push-in pins and stuff. 1, 2, and 3. So when you lift it up, I accidentally loosened up the tail lights. But you'll see right there, there's 2 holes. Those are those 2 right there. There'll be one right here. A tent. And then you'll have the 2 over there. And that's basically what you gotta take off. And obviously, you know, just be careful. Now I do have to pull these out. And I think that was the only one. Yeah, and then I put it all back together and just put it all back on. Make sure everything lines up. And you also have to disconnect the license plate. If not, it'll stay there. And then you just pull them right out. Never knew that, but yeah, definitely I went on the forums for like a good second, and then they were saying you have to take the whole trunk apart, and I was like, sweet. So yeah, let me replace those real quick, and then I'll put it all back together and give you guys an after. All right, we're currently at my girlfriend's house because I ended up doing this really late, and then it got really late and she got off for work. Whole plan was to get this done before she got off work, but wasn't the case. So there's my phone. You guys can see. I'm gonna access the fog lights through the fender well. They're back there behind that like fuzzy white stuff. So let's see if I can reach this right here. You guys can see it right there. So just gotta disconnect it, and then we'll get the other side and we'll throw the new ones on, and then we'll give you guys one more after with all the lights on. Alright, we got all the lights installed, and you'd be surprised how much it makes a difference. So you kind of got matching colors all around, or like the lights and stuff. So you guys ready? Boom. Got the dome lights too, y'all. Oh, the license plate light's already white, so that's okay. But I mean, you guys can see. I mean, look at the amount of lighting it puts out. It's really bright in here. It just being that they're all like basically bright lights, it all looks nice. It's all one color and stuff. So if you guys are interested in updating your lights and getting rid of that you know, nasty yellow color, make sure you guys go to visit Auxito.com. Again, link to the website will be down in my description, and the my discount code will be down there too for 15%. I believe it was 15% discount on any purchases you guys make. really makes a big difference. I definitely like how it came out. It just, I don't know, it's the, I guess it's the little things too. But I'm also gonna be changing these ones. There's like these little lights right here. You can there's these ones too that you can replace, so I'm gonna be doing those. And I'm actually getting the clears for the doors as well, just the housings, because I did do the lights, but I gotta get the housings. But yeah, this is the final product. I'm happy with it. My girlfriend's happy with it. That looks really nice, actually. I can't stop looking at it. It looks so good. But yeah, that's it for today's episode, guys. And you know, make sure you drop a comment, leave a like, and subscribe to the channel if you guys really like this series and stuff. And also, as far as the Civic goes, put it on hold, unfortunately. Just I'd rather buy more parts as far as the suspension goes, because I still have the coilovers, but I'd rather do all the suspension at once than just one thing at a time. So a little, you know, it's on hold for that one for right now, but do stay tuned for more content like that. And if you guys like videos like this, make sure, like I said, just leave a comment, drop a like, and turn that post notification on so you guys get notified when I post videos and stuff like that. And make sure to subscribe, y'all. So hope y'all like the video, and stay tuned for more, y'all. Mauie out. Peace.